Hello everyone, welcome to how to fix tech. In this video guys, if icon is disappeared from your Windows 11 PC or 10 PC, this video is for you. I will show how to get back the missing icon from the desktop. So this is straightforward. So first of all guys, you need to make sure that the view by hidden is not hidden. I mean the desktop icon is not hidden on your desktop. So you need to right click there first of all and go to view options and tick this option show desktop icons and see if it gets back the desktop icon or not. If still not guys, we have to troubleshoot this issue more further. So you need to simply open the run command here, and once you open the run command, sometime it may corrupt it. So percentage app data percentage and hit enter. Now once you hit enter guys, you will see the windows like this. You need to go to view and show and click on hidden items. Okay, we can also look for this local app data. Now in here users and the username you have. Okay, and you need to look for the go to view and make sure the hidden item is untick. Okay, now in here guys, you need to look for, now let me check if it is there, app data, net users, yeah, we got it. Now as you can see here, icon cache .db. so this is the database of desktop icon. So we need to right click there on it and simply you can delete it. So once you have deleted it, you have to restart the system from here and check if it fixed the issue or not. So this is the path guys. See users, the usernames, app data and the local. Okay, this is the path. I will give this path into my description box, and after that it should fix the issue. If not, after the rebooting your laptop or the desktop, simply open the CMD as admin and we need to type here the sfc /scan now. So this command will repair any Windows corruption if any corruption you have. And let me check that another command, that is disp command. Let me see if we get the command here. You can see here these are the three commands you need to type here one by one. So these command you will also get into my description box. This last command is very powerful. This will restore the image of your Windows. So simply open the CMD as admin again, but you need to only run this command up once the sfc command is completed. Okay, and just hit the command and like this, and this will restore the corrupted image of your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Both the process will go to 100% sfc and disp command. After that it must fix your issue. If not guys, you can also restore the system to backdate when system was working fine. Go to create restore point, but check if both command fix your issue or not. If not, then this method will really helpful. Then restore. Now next, choose the date when the desktop icon was working fine there and click on next and click on finish and hit yes option. So this process will restore your system to backdate. This will take almost 30 to 40 minutes. So wait for that and let it complete. After that it should fix the issue. If nothing works, you can create another user there. Go to File Explorer, this PC, right click there, show more options, manage. Sometime if your profile is itself corrupted, so nothing is going to work there, so simply make a new user. Let's say test, full name not needed. Okay, password you can choose it. Okay, like so. Hit okay, test 1. Okay, and give full permission to it. Membership, add administrators, and check names, underline. Yes, it's added now. And once it is added, now sign out from your current account, guys. Okay, log out and log in with the newly created account and see if it fixed the issue or not. If nothing works, guys, I have shown all the steps to fix these kind of issues. If still not fix the issue, guys, you have to reset your Windows or you have to reinstall the fresh Windows. So hope this helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.